everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 847 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am of course trying out another BoxyCharm product. I recently got my BoxyCharm premium box in the mail finally, and my BoxyCharm base box, so I did my unboxing video of those. I can have that video linked in the description down below. But now I'm finally trying out all of my BoxyCharm makeup products, which will lead up to a full face makeup tutorial using all of those products. And the product that I'm trying out today is from Sugar Rush by Tarte. It's the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm that I got in the shade Peony. I'm so excited about this because I love lip balms and hydrating lip products. I pretty much cannot go without a hydrating product on my lips because I just have such naturally dry lips. But this is a very exciting product because I've been wanting to try out products from the brand Sugar Rush by Tarte for a while, ever since I saw them at Ulta a long time ago. Not that long ago, maybe a few months ago or so. But this month I got a product from Sugar Rush in BoxyCharm and a product in my Ipsy box. And I love the liquid lipstick that I tried out from Sugar Rush that I got in Ipsy this month. I can have that review video linked down below as well if you want to see it. It's just the most comfortable, beautiful nude liquid lipstick. So then when I got this in my BoxyCharm box, I was so excited. And then when you open the box and see that it's the cutest packaging ever, I'm just obsessed. Look at this. The box is so cute, and then the actual product, this is basically decor. I need to have this on display. So this retails for $12. Like I said, you can get it at Ulta. I have the shade Peony, which is this light pink shade. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty translucent, but they also have it in a darker shade with more of a tint to it, which I would really love to try out because I love a tinted lip balm. And oh my gosh, I just opened it and got a whiff of that amazing, delicious scent. When I was looking this up online, it says that the scent is angel food cake scent. And oh my gosh, that's exactly what it smells like. I feel like I'm drooling a little bit. It just made me so hungry and it made me really want cake, which reminds me that I went to Cheesecake Factory over the weekend and I got the red velvet cheesecake, and I don't have a big sweet tooth, so I eat a little bit at a time, and that's like enough for me. And I wish I still had some of that cheesecake left right now. I finally finished it yesterday. So delicious. I'm obsessed. There's a lot of things that it sounds like I'm obsessed with in this video so far. But so this says it has jojoba oil and shea butter and lactic acid. So it'll keep lips hydrated and exfoliated. It's cruelty free and vegan. So it sounds awesome. I just want to give a very obvious reminder. You're probably going to be like, you didn't have to tell us that. But before you use a product like this, I just want to give this reminder to wash your hands, especially nowadays. I just made sure to wash my hands before filming this. But for products that you have to use your finger to apply, just make sure you're using clean hands. You don't want to spread any germs. But so that's all you have to do. I thought maybe it would come with an applicator, but it doesn't. It says just to use your finger. So I'm gonna go ahead, pick up some of the product. Just like a balm texture. Yeah, completely sheer, which is nice, but I just love having color on my lips. You know what this just reminds me of? Blistex. The little Blistex tub. Because this, it has that angel food cake to it, but it has the same texture as Blistex. And I don't know if I'm imagining it, but it has a little bit of a cooling sensation like Blistex. And Blistex is good stuff. I haven't used that in so long, but I used to love it. Yeah, like I was saying, I like to have color on my lips, so I kind of wish that I got the other shade of this, but that seems to be the theme with my BoxyCharm boxes this month. Me just getting shades of the products that I'm not crazy about, or that there would be other shades that I think would suit me better or that I would prefer. but I don't want to complain because this one still is really nice. I love the feel on my lips. So hydrating, but not sticky. When you feel it with your finger, the texture of it seems like it would be sticky, but on my lips, it's not sticky. It's super hydrating. It is not super shiny, but it's not completely natural. It kind of just has a hydrating texture and finish to it. It does look very beautiful on the lips. It looks very hydrated and a little bit plumped up, like it smoothed out the appearance of my dry lips really, really nicely. So all in all, I think this is a great lip balm. What makes it even better truly is the packaging, because that's what, in my opinion, separates this from any other lip balm, because the clear color, the texture of it, the hydration, I can find that in like a Blistex or a very inexpensive lip balm, but this just is extra cute. I can feel like this would be a really good base hydrating product for other lip colors, because like I said, I like to wear lip color, but since this isn't too shiny, but it's still super hydrating and smoothing to the lips, I think this would be great underneath like a stick, kind of bullet lipstick. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. If you have any recommendations for other Sugar Rush products that I should try out, let me know in the comments down below. I especially love when I can get products at Ulta. That's my favorite place to order makeup from online. If it's not Shop Miss A. I don't know, those are tied. Those are my two favorite places to order makeup from online. But I would love to get some recommendations of other Sugar Rush products to pick up from Ulta when I do my next purchase. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.